What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we have something awesome for you guys. We are exploring what is to be the largest abandoned state hospital in the United States of America. We have a water fountain. As I'm walking up right there, you definitely seen that. But guys, take a look at this. This absolutely looks like the White House. Wow. This is crazy stuff, guys. I can't tell you how beautiful this thing looks. I will leave in the description everything about the hospital that I know of or can find out for you. Let's get into the explore. All my links are down below. Let's go. Alright, we are starting with this beautiful chandelier. We are at the front entryway of the largest abandoned mental asylum in the United States of America. And this is what you look at when you walk through that door. Pretty cool. Place does have power, and there are cameras. We don't know if they're active or not. If we get caught, then you know they are. They had a job fair here. Interesting. We got some pretty cool carpet. We have an elevator. I'm kind of curious if it actually works, but I ain't gonna touch the buttons until I'm out of this place. Like I do it last second.
I tried it, but it doesn't work.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, so Mo tried it already, and it does not work.
To get out, we can get out from this one over here.
Oh, good.
Or
Oh,
this next to it.
oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, no. I don't think so. That's a far drop. Unless you're running across. Now, everyone has been posting these videos, but I haven't seen anyone post this building here specifically. It's a big jump, eh?
There's pipes.
Yeah, if they hold us. This is like an admin office type thing. Yeah. Yeah, everyone that's been trying to get into these buildings has been showing the old one. No one's actually physically got into the big white building. That looks like the damn White House. So. We got some books. We got a bed. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Got a bathroom. Pretty good. Oh, spiderwebs everywhere here. Every door is literally sealed shut. This looks like a patient room.
Yeah, all this destruction is probably all, you know, kids showing up and just destroying the place. Look at this, is like that. Not gonna really freaking happen if I'm not.
Crazy, huh? Not a lot of people have gotten in here. I'm gonna keep looking out the front just in case, because those cameras work. They're pulling up right there, security or police. Personal files everywhere of people that were here, which I don't intend to show. Not much in here. Uh-oh. Hey, Mo. 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 Mo doesn't care when people are coming. It's just a family, but...
That might be a lie. What do you think? Is that door alarmed?
Hold on. There's people walking around.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. What the hell? There's like a bunch of girls outside. Oh, they see us.
Do they?
I think so. We should scare them.
That girl seen me for sure. That girl might have seen me. I don't know where they are. They might be walking this way. Oh shit. They see me for sure.
They see you.
They see me.
They saw me.
Hopefully they don't try to get in.
Back to the door. Right there, right there.
I know. They already saw me over there. Hold on. I'm driving very slow. Move from the window.
What?
Move away from the window. There's a car up there. Like a car just parked. Also, move that shit. That Lexus just parked there. Where are those girls?
They're right in front.
Let's
You?
move away from here. There's a car.
Yeah, they definitely see me. Okay, you're there. They keep trying to take a picture of us. All right, those people are gone. If that was you out in front of the white building, if you see this, I'd like you to comment down below. That one seems like it's locked. Oh, no way. This is locked from outside. Oh, it's double locked. Damn.
I waved at them. I knocked on the window, they got scared and started running.
Oh,
And
really?
then, yeah, I was trying to wave at them.
This door is locked. It's double bolted on the both sides. No. Well, no, it's double locked.
So you probably have to jump out. Oh, look, the window's open.
Let's see the main floor. Go that way and go up.
That Lexus is just sitting there. I mean, this place is scenic, so a lot of people probably gonna show up. Those kids will probably find that open door. The rebel camp.
What?
Those kids will probably find that open door.
If they go in.
They probably will.
Did you actually wave to them?
Yeah, but they didn't see me. I think these windows are like tinted.
I think the one girl seen me.
They definitely see both of us. But they won't find you there.
What? Let's see. No, I'm not doing it.
This elevator has power, but it doesn't go up or down. After night, you don't need it now.
It's my stomach. Can you guys tell me I'm hungry or what? Let's see. I don't see them anywhere. I don't see the people anywhere. Do you hear them? No. So we scouted this place yesterday. That definitely was not open. So someone was here probably a little bit before we did today.
Is it gone?
I don't know. We'll go up again?
Yeah. We see all that we can see on the main floor. I'm sure there's a basement because I know these buildings are connected through tunnels. So we might end up in a different building later on throughout this video, so don't go anywhere. This hallway.
Okay. Let's see what's this way. Let's see if anyone's in the back. It's like a lunchroom. Oh my god. What happened here? Secret room. No way. Some big shot on this floor probably had this office. I think I heard a noise. Hey. I may have heard a noise in the building.
Huh?
I may have heard a noise in the building.
They're probably in here. Check this out. This place is like the freaking White House.
Is that white car gone? I think he's gone.
So cool, man.
This is pretty cool. Even that water fountain right there. Pretty cool. It's just so peaceful. Interesting. Let's see. Maybe have people have gone in here. I've never seen a video on it. This is where the people were walking.
I don't know. The only parts of this asylum that scare me are these freaking hallways. There's something weird about it.
Let's see. A bare room. Not even. Okay. Okay, what's this? There's a door. Oh my god. No way. This is a door. No way. Oh my god. It's gone here. No way. Oh, it's bolted shut. They nailed it shut. Damn. Could you imagine if we can get out here on that? That would have been freaking cool. So. And then here. There's just a window. You don't even get the balcony. I feel bad whoever got this room. This room would be a kick in the butt. Let me cover my... There's a chair up there. It used to be open. Interesting. Not much in here. Oh, but a bit window that's open. Let's see. Trying to make sure no one sees us. Going on the roof would be pretty awesome, but get a little bit of light going. Mostly in the balcony. They nailed it shut. Could you imagine if we can get out there?
We can get there by drone.
Yeah. Opening. Oh my god, I just noticed a big penis. This way scares me. I'm not sure why. It just scares me. restrooms inside. What? That's insane. Oh my god, look at that circle window. This has got to be like something to do with food, if I had to think. No. This is a crazy room.
These aren't patient, these are conference rooms. Where are the patient rooms?
This is the patient room right here.
The one with the window?
Yeah.
Maybe, maybe not. Because like, look, this is a workstation room. This is a... What?
I thought I heard someone in the building.
These are conference rooms. At least that's what it says on them. It's very strange. You guys have seen all the asylums that we've been to. They definitely don't look like this. Like that one says break.
This is a weird room right here. Multi-purpose room. Look at the air conditioners are right there. Multi-purpose. What the heck? Oh my god, that's cool. Look at that. There's a mesh here. What? Okay. We got some stainless steel sinks, countertops. I just don't know about this. Why is there that? Crazy. There's a long corridor there. These have gotta be patient rooms. Oh, there's a bathroom. Workstation. Crazy. Let's check out, make sure no one's outside. I can't believe that's running. That's crazy. That's the water. Okay, this is eerie.
These are the patient's rooms here.
They are? It's utility room. Oh, I know, a unit. Yeah, this looks like a patient room, kind of, just missing a bed and a toilet. Equipment storage. Room 3. That looks cool right there. What the heck? Okay. So, they are blocking us off from going to other parts of this building. But that's a good way to get us out. What's this? That's a for people. I don't know what that is. That's cool. Let me guess, it's but oh, it's shut. They definitely shut that. So cannot enter. Why? Because we're going to hell. Oh my God, there's a 5th floor. Try to see if we can get through the back doors. And we got a big water main pipe right there. We have pink curtains in there. Yo, it's a loud motorcycle. It is a motorcycle, but it needs to sound like it was like on the property. We have some skids for something maybe delivered here.
Alright, so yeah, we do got medication rooms over here. They're all kind of empty. Well, that's not bad picture.
Why are their faces blacked out?
What the fuck is it?
Their faces are blacked out.
Oh, these were people that worked here.
Yeah.
These could have been like nurses and stuff. Their faces are blacked out, but
Yeah.
their names are here.
That's crazy. There's razor blades everywhere. Wow. No way. Are those the cells? These could be the cells. These are the cells. Yes. Yes, we found the cells. I knew this one here had to have been a cell. Gotta love the color blue. That's gonna be my crazy color. Feels creepy here. That peephole right there, I thought it was someone coming towards us. Interesting. What the hell's in here? Bathroom. Wow, crazy stuff. So the dining room was right here, but it's pretty locked up. I don't know why they're trying to make us, we can't get to this little middle part because there's a dining room here, there's other stuff that we were looking at. I bet you they have all the equipment here or something where patients can't get to it. Damn it. We've tried on multiple floors to get into that area. I don't think it's doable. we are looking, we're trying. I think there's one more floor left. So it's cool, it's untouched. I guess I haven't really seen anyone in here. So, okay. We're walking around the main floor again. I think we're on floor 4. I think there is one more floor above us. A lot of printer ink. I heard something. That's money shot right there. So I'm walking back. We still have a long way to go. This is top floor then. I've honestly lost track. Maybe there is another floor up there that hits the roof.
Did you make a loud bang?
Yeah, I tripped over something.
There was a black truck. I was standing at the window. Black truck pulled up and he saw me and then he slowed down. But he disappeared behind the trees.
On the property? No.
No, on the street. I was looking at the pool. Everyone slows down and looks.
I think this is the top floor. There was one more. It looks like there's nothing on the top. There's no windows, right? 2 Powell 3 East. Whoa. Yo, there is another floor. This could be the roof. No way. Wait a minute. I'm covering my light when I go to the window. This door might open. Maybe.
Let's go to the roof.
You want to check cell last?
No, let's go up now.
Oh, God.
I don't think we'll be able to get to the roof, but maybe we can. There's also
It's another floor.
there's also the basement, which we haven't even seen, and the tunnels. And there is a theory about tunnels. It's very dark and disgusting story. So they used to segregate the black patients and they put them in the tunnels.
This floor here
These asylums were
doesn't have windows. Wow, this is definitely someone of importance. Okay. 2001, 2002. For storage. Wow. Mo? No way. There's no way. This is the roof. Guys, we might be going to the roof. I'm not sure. But there's only one way it could be this roof. Because this floor here has no windows, really. Attic. That's the roof. I found the roof, but I don't know if I want to go up on it. Oh, you know what this is? We're in the middle of the tower. It's a circle. That's where we are. Alright, I'm heading back down to finish the top floor with no windows. But I got to that part. It's pretty cool. Yo! Found the roof.
Huh?
Found the roof and the ball at the top.
The ball?
The ball, you know the rounded part at the top?
Yeah,
Walk that way.
left.
Left. You gotta go multiple stairs. What is this? It goes back down. Wow. Walker building. Nice. We are, I think, at the back. Yeah, this is the back. It's a pretty cool building, guys. It seems like I'm rushing, but I think we've already been seen going in. So I'm trying to document as much as I can while I'm here. Oh, it's the back of the building anyway. Wow, look at the checkered floors. This was someone's pimping office on the top floor with no, well, he's got a window, but not much in here. These are employee office areas and stuff. Alright, so we're going down the main staircase. Maybe this will lead us to the basement, who knows? Alright guys, we're outside. We're pretty much done, but we can't find how to get into the basement. Everything is locked to the basement. There could be like a morgue or something in here. This is behind the scenes with Mo taking a picture with this beautiful White House looking abandoned state asylum.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But guys, we have a way possibly into the basement. A couple cars just pulled up here. And there's one right there. I don't want to turn it around, but we're going to make a run for it. And hopefully, we get into the basement, into the back area room where it kept having nails and everything keeping us out. So, we'll see. Cross your fingers. So we think... Well, hopefully it's open. Hopefully it's open. It's bolted. Man, they don't want no one in here. Alright. We have made it in. Crazy.
Wow, it looks like we made it down to the basement. It looks like this whole thing is there.
This is what? There's mold everywhere. So, wow, they want to keep people out for sure. There's a door open right there. There's another door open over there. The reflection. Okay. Women bathroom. Stinks in there. Fire alarm control, high voltage. What's this machine?
Go down there?
I turned around.
Huh?
I turned around.
Why?
Because I didn't know.
Oh.
Figure we just say, you want to split it up or?
Well, whatever. I don't mind splitting up, but whatever.
Mo? Mo? Mo?
What?
Did you make about that loud noise?
Yes.
Oh.
This might be where the tunnels are, but they might have sealed it.
And-
One of the tunnels could be in one of the other buildings. There's so many more buildings. We just don't know. This building has a lot of patients. But it also looks like it has more administration than patients itself.
What? Found the tunnels? Ooh. That looks interesting. Nothing there.
All this could be where they kept the live patients. You know how they segregated the blacks and the whites?
They did that here?
Yeah, that's what they did. This is the tunnel, I think.
Let's go this way. See, now we're under the building that we tried to get into before. So we're under the building that they kept trying to lock us off from upstairs.
Yeah, maybe.
So,
Dude, look at these old arches. This is the oldest part of this building.
yeah,
Because these were built first, right?
yeah, for sure.
Wow. Oh my god, this is so cool.
That's probably outside. And I finished right there. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna be falling for that picture.
That's the tunnels?
No, this is it. Keep in mind, they said they were putting them in. Keep in mind, the reporter said they were putting them in tunnels. These are tunnels.
Yeah.
They could have been down here near the exhaust, the big generator. Can you imagine how loud noise
I think this one goes further. The problem is, I can't tell with this camera, so let's just see with my phone. Nothing there. It is a tunnel. Hey Mo. It looks like it goes to the very end and it turns. So this could be the tunnel here. Because why would they block it off? This is the original thing. So. Oh, the floor's coming up. I noticed. No. So we just found this quickly. The wall is broken through, and there's a ladder that goes straight up, and we have a secret door behind here. I don't know what that's from. I thought we checked everything, but apparently not. So. Oh my god, look at all the printer ink. That's crazy. That's really not good to be breathing in. If we were to disturb it. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think we got pretty much the entire spot. So. Yeah. Alright, so apparently I missed a whole section here.
I was like, I went to the end, and then there was another one that keeps going, so I didn't go further, but have fun in there. There's so much stuff left behind.
Oh my lord. Foosball table. Whoa.
I didn't even go in any of the rooms yet. This is all...
Oh my god, look at these old pillows for the couches.
Oh shit. That must be for the gurney. There's a gurney here.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I like this foosball table. That's freaking cool.
Look at this gurney. It's the first one we've seen.
No.
Whole hospital, yeah.
And of all the buildings we've been in this place, this is the first one.
Yeah, the first one. And all these couches.
Wow.
This is why I like to go that extra little bit. You didn't want to go and finish because we're tired. Let's go get some food. Sometimes you just go that extra little bit and push yourself in the
Whoa. Storage. So many different chairs, couches, leather couches. Huh. That's all Christmas decorations. Stationary bike. That's cool. Oh my god. There's no freaking way. Yo, this is sick. Oh my god. I want one of these old school Frigidaires. This is sick. Like, really. Wow. I just seen the best thing in this room.
Yeah, the fridge is awesome.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Can we get out from here? Oh my lord.
I haven't gone down that way yet. Deeper into these tunnels, so I don't know where the hell they go.
Get a bathroom. Oh, Christmas decorations.
Christmas.
Oh, sure.
What the hell?
This is patient files. Patient files right there.
Archive. Everything's just on the ground.
It's gated. Look at the furnace there, boiler room. Wow. There's another window open right there. Nothing really interesting here, but we found another part of the basement, which is cool.
What's at the end?
Nothing much. I think this is all just furnace and stuff. Oh, wait a minute. There's something back here. Is that another tunnel? No, it can't be. Oh, that would have been sick if it went another way. That's where it ended off. That's where it was right there. This is the same tunnel. When I was looking at it and I was zooming in, and I used my phone to go through. Hey, so we knew where the tunnel goes through.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah, if we had gone through that wooden tunnel,
We would have came through here.
probably ended up here, yeah.
Yeah,
Wow. But you can stand here. The other ones you had to crawl.
yeah, for sure.
What's going on here? That's the end, I guess. Well, I think this is the end of the asylum. Let's go back to the RV, pick up some food.
Ooh.
The other night. See what happens.
Oh my god. There's secret tunnels in here.
These are all just like, they make these secondary tunnels for the pipes and storing stuff. Like, how do you even get all this metal grates in there?
That was all, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's got to be through that one little window we see over there. So, wow. All this hardware going to nothing. It's going to be in the garbage.
There's a flex pipe for an exhaust.
What do I hear running?
Active.
Something's running right now. This. Wait, no. That.
It's one of those pipes up there.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch any of this shit, though.
These pipes are full of asbestos. That's what they're wrapped in. Pre-1950s, pre-1960s, all had to wrap them with asbestos. Unfortunately, that's the way it had to have been done, but it is what it is. Walking back, I miss this totally, but Mo picked this up. The barber chair. So they did have a barber shop in this facility. That's cool. I like the pink Frigidaire stove in the one before, but the gurney. That's sick. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Smash the like button, comment your favorite parts. We could be the first to actually show this building, me and Mo. I'm pretty excited because I've seen a lot of videos and not everyone has gotten to this one. They say they got in this one, but they post another video. So it is what it is. I hope me and Mo are the first to drop this one. His link's down below, mine are down below. Don't forget, I forgot how to end my video off. This is a blooper scene because I'm like, keep it real, stay positive, keep living that dream. Amen. Peace, guys. Alright guys, I know I ended the video off, but currently I'm back here the following day just to kind of check up on the place and stuff like that. And the side door's wide open. We have security or police right there. What I think is happening is they're gonna seal up the building from how we got in and how we got out. Because there was multiple spots, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be gone now. And literally it was 24 hours later. It's not even 24 hours. We did it last night. We went to camp and we just came back here because we had to come back to this area anyway, right? But how crazy is it that they're right there?
Head south toward Broad Street.
So they are definitely in the building, 1000%, because even with a zoomed in camera, we don't see anyone in that truck. So we might stick around for a little bit if there's anything. If not, we're gonna end this video off right here, right now, at this beautiful monstrosity.